Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of August 27th, 2013. The charts we look at in the presentation come from the Trade Navigator software. The first chart is a weekly bond market chart, and I really thought bonds were going up before they broke down in the last couple of weeks, but this looks like a little false breakdown out of the sideways here, and they've turned back up now. That probably means they want to test the highs of this area. For now, the next resistance we have is around 133.28, and they certainly could hold that this week. There's no sense that they need to just keep going. However, they could go up to the mid-Keltner channel here in the 137 area. That's very possible. This week, the last week before Labor Day, is notoriously low volume in both bonds and stocks, and often that means no moves will occur, but it also means it doesn't take much of anything to get them to move. So I'm really not expecting a big move, but I know it could happen without a whole lot of impetus. So that's what we'll be looking at. Support was down here, 131.02. They've stayed well above that, which I think just bodes well for them, says they probably have a fair amount of strength behind them. Stocks, on the other hand, have taken the opposite tact. We already have an outside week to last week in that we went higher first, didn't quite get to the 1669 area, and then have turned down here. Now, an outside week often means that they've shot all their bullets. Of course, the week isn't over with yet, but they have come right down to the mid-Keltner channel here, which is roughly the 1627 area. So there is a chance that they could bounce from here. The question is whether they just get a little wiggle, whether they bounce back up towards the 1669 area, or if they don't bounce at all. And that's a possibility. Again, the low volume environment, but they seem to have been scared by fears of going to war, if you will, with Syria. Now listen, if that's really the cause of all of this selling, it's going to be over with very quickly. The minute the first shot is fired, they'll take another quick dip down and then bounce, and that'll be it. But if there's something more to this and they don't bounce from this area, they could be down here to this old swing low around 1550, and I mean quickly. I mean, they could roll over hard from here if there's something more than just fear about Syria in this, and I think there might be. But for now, we do have good support in the 1627 area. I'd look for some sort of bounce from there. The question is it like a 5-pointer, or do they really bounce back up? And we'll just have to wait and see. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.